Hey, imagine तुम्हारे पास 1 लाख एलिमेंट्स हैं and you need to find one specific element instantly. तो कैसे करोगे? The answer is unordered set. Now, what is an unordered set? An unordered set is an STL containers that stores a unique elements. Unlike a normal set, it does not store element in the sorted order. It uses a hash table which makes searching and insertions very fast. So, how to create an unordered set? So, this is the syntax to create an unordered set of integers. So, now look into this example. In this example, I insert first 10, then 20, then 30, then 20. The output maybe look like 30 and 10 and 20. Notice here we insert the value 20 twice. However, the output 20 only appears in once in the output because in unordered set does not allow our duplicate values. Also note that the output may vary each time because unordered set does not store element in the sorted order. So here are the common functions of unordered set. We use insertion to add an element. We use find function to search of an element. We use erase function to remove an element. We use count function to check if an element is exist or not. We use size function to return the number of element. We use empty function to check whether the container is empty or not. Here are common differences between unordered set versus set. So in set, the element are in sorted order, but in ordered set, there is no order. They are used in red black T, and the unordered set uses a hash tables. And a very important difference is a set is supports lower bound and upper bound, but in the unordered set, it does not support. Thank you.